When I think of role models and leaders in the community, I certainly think of Gary and Sue, and mostly because of their engagement. They say yes. Yes, of course, to each other, their love of each other. Yes, to whatever responsibility they take on in the corporate world for Gary, and yes to the community, and yes to the possibility of science and what it can do to help us to lead fuller, longer, healthier lives.
Hi, Gary and Sue. This is John Mack. Congratulations on the Heart of the City Award. You know, Gary, you hired me in Medtronic some 25 years ago, and the teaching that you gave me over the years from a professional perspective was just truly outstanding. But tonight is really recognizing you for what you taught me about being a human being and being a member of the community. Thanks to you and Sue for all that you do.
It's so exciting to hear about this award. I can't think of any couple that is more deserving of it. And we certainly appreciate all the work that you've done and your generosity towards American Heart.
We're so happy that with all the volunteerism that you have done over the years. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Gary and Sue. A recognition that's very, very well deserved.
You know, I've personally known Gary and Sue for many years and have been continuously so impressed with their passion, their dedication, and their commitment for our mission. Gary is a past chair of the American Heart Association's National Board of Directors and a retired senior vice president and CFO at Medtronic. Gary began volunteering with the American Heart Association in 1984. That's 36 years of sharing his time and talent to improve the lives of others. He was the chair of the Twin Cities Heart Ball in 2013 and served as the chair of both our Northland and Greater Midwest affiliates. Gary and Sue were early supporters of our Institute of Cardiovascular Precision Medicine, making significant personal contributions. You know, the mission of the American Heart Association, though, is personal for them. Their granddaughter, Nora, was born with a congenital heart defect. And thanks to research and advancements made by the AHA, Nora is healthy, active, and has a very, very bright future ahead of her. And there are many other children like Nora who can live full, healthy lives because of donors like Gary and Sue. Congratulations on this very well-deserved honor.
I have worked with Gary Ellis for many years, and I am so proud to call him a colleague and a friend. My role as CEO is in part due to Gary, who chaired the search committee when I was selected to lead the American Heart Association in 2008. When I learned that Gary and Sue were being honored, I was so excited, but certainly not surprised. Their generosity continues to inspire me as long-standing supporters of the American Heart Association's mission, accelerating precision medicine, transforming communities, and so much more. After 36 years of ongoing commitment to our mission and to our impact, they recently invested $1.2 million to establish the Social Impact Fund in the Twin Cities, where we will relentlessly work to break down barriers to health with innovation and with new solutions like improving access to healthy food and quality care. Minnesota is among the healthiest states in our country, yet the health disparities are among the worst. Gary and Sue's gift has the potential to change the trajectory of health in Minnesota for generations of people who need us most. The American Heart Association's Impact Fund has been launched in Boston, Chicago, New York, Flint, Michigan, and the Greater Bay Area. And now, because of Gary and Sue, Minneapolis and St. Paul are joining this growing list. Please join me in thanking them for their incredible leadership and their never-ending support. We appreciate you so much, Gary and Sue.
Thank you very much, Nancy, and thank you for all the speakers who've given us basically this, recognized us in this way. And thank you to American Heart Association for the recognition of this award. Both Sue and I feel very, very honored and to receive this and to accept it, and basically in memory of a lot of our family and friends who have dealt with heart disease and stroke. The reality is we have been engaged in the American Heart Association for many, many years, and it's important to us and our family, and for many reasons. And let me say why, because that's a question we get a lot of times. Why are you involved in the American Heart Association? The reality is it started for me when I was younger. My father passed away from complications of heart disease when I was very young. Sue's parents have had heart disease. Even recently, one of our granddaughters has had congenital heart disease. And so the reality is it's affected our family and friends over the decades and over our lives. And we want to be able to try to have an impact on that as we move forward. What better organization than the American Heart Association to do that? Based on my involvement with the organization over the last several decades, the fact of the matter is this organization is by far one of the best at really having an impact on heart disease and stroke. We have felt honored to be part of many organizations, many galas, many events to support the American Heart Association. And as a result of that, we are very, very blessed to be a part of this organization in general. We love the mission. We love what the organization is doing. And it's just a way for us to continue to give back. So again, from both Sue and I, thank you very much.